Is everything too much for you? Everybody wants something, and it's even getting more. You feel overwhelmed, as there are stones in your way, and you can't move freely. And some of the stones, they are even overrolling you. So now it's the time to change your point of view and allow new thoughts. Get rid of the stones. Lie down. Yes, you heard right. Lie down on the ground. Are you already there? Every moment is the perfect one to just lie down. Put your feet directly in the air and imagine you are walking in the air. Because you are someone really, really special. You do things differently than others. You create new airways.